Hi guys, I'm Anup from TwinsAI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect with your Salesforce CRM, import the contacts and call them, and have everything from the call recording to transcription to call dispositions posted on Salesforce. So first of all, let's go to your profile and click on settings. Once you go there, see the integrations tab. Once you click there, scroll down to the bottom and you are able to see Salesforce. Click on connect Salesforce. Make sure that you connect with your Salesforce account and login credentials. And once you log in, you should go to your auto dialer page and then click on this icon, which shows like a refresh, and then select on the contact list field, and you're able to see all your list which you have created in Salesforce. And if you go and click on any of the list, you are able to see here, and you can start dialing. Thank you.